Good morning, everyone. It is about 10 minutes to 10 in the morning on Saturday. Now, I've been doing a lot of searching of maps this morning. The most important river in the New Testament. If you go to your concordance, especially in a Young's concordance, you will find a short paragraph, maybe 5 to 8 sentences. You go to the Young's Concordance and you look up Laodicea, which you find spoken of 3 or 4 times in the letter to the Colossians. Laodicea. Ephesians, Laodicea, Laodicea, Ephesians. Same letter, 2 different city titles. Ephesians, Laodicea, the first and last church in Revelation to the 7 churches. The most important river by 50 AD in the New Testament, headquarters for the new sect called the Way. I didn't know I had one of my pair of broken glasses on. I only see out of my right eye. I'm blind in my left eye, so it doesn't matter. The Lycus River is the first major long river inland, over 100 miles, south of Ephesus, and 100 miles up the Lycus River, you find the Tri-Cities, Laodicea, Colossae, on the south side of the river, and Hierapolis on the north side of the river. Those Tri-Cities, Hierapolis, hot springs that people soaked in. These names of these cities are in the New Testament in the letter to the Colossians. And you're to read the letter that Tychicus delivered to the Colossians with the Ephesians Laodicean letter that Tychicus delivered to the city of Laodicea on the south side of the Lycus River, 100 miles up the Lycus River, the most important river just south of Ephesus on the coast. So you got Tri-Cities, 100 miles up the Lycus River to the Lycus River Valley, and you've got Quad Cities when you include the headquarters of the new sect called the Way, which Paul taught the longest in Ephesus, 3 years plus, and appointed elders in Ephesus, of which Timothy became deacon and head bishop of Ephesus headquarters by 50 AD. Ephesus, Laodicea, letter just north of the river of Lycus River. Did you get that one? Please listen to this more than once. The most important river that's still there today, 2,000 years later, and Hierapolis is still inhabited, a tourist city with volcanic hot springs that people soak in. 100 miles up the Lycus River, the major river south of Ephesus on the west coast of Turkey. How about them apples, kiddies?